Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys this cute little Winter Wonderland theme party. If you are hosting one, hopefully this can give you some amazing little cute ideas on how you can host a Winter Wonderland theme birthday party. It was so much fun to put together. Sit back and relax and watch how I put it all together. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share this video with a friend. Also, we are giving away 2 free Cricut machines to 2 of our contestants. If you want to be a part of our giveaway for a chance to win, after this video, go to the elegantcreators.com/Cricut giveaway to apply. Let us know in the comment section if you have applied. Okay guys, this is the night before I decorate. So one of the things that I love to do is I love to prep anything that I have to do the night before just to make my workload a lot easier the day of. So this is a few DIYs that I'm putting together for the Winter Wonderland theme birthday. This centerpiece you see here is called the Magzanetta tree. One of the things I love about it is the branches. You can detach it or attach it however way you like. There's no specific way you could put the branches. So you can put as many branches as you would like. And you could really play around and figure out how you would love to decorate it. So what I went ahead and do is I use lots of crystals and lots of snowflakes and lots of icicles to really fit my Winter Wonderland theme. And one of the things I love about this tree is it's pretty tall. It's 30 inches tall and it's white. It really tied into my theme so perfectly, and I just love how it turned out. So all I just really did is just hang some snowflakes, hang some beautiful glass crystals, and I also hang some glass icicles. So everywhere I purchased this, don't worry, I will put the link in the description box below if you would like to know where I purchased them. But this is the perfect centerpiece for any Winter Wonderland theme or event that you are hosting. This is how my workstation looked like on a Friday night, getting ready for a Winter Wonderland theme. Just got done working on these. So cute, so cool. All I did was use my hot glue, put them together. Same thing for these little boxes. Kind of add my own little personal touches to them. Super cute. And I spray painted this. Okay guys, this is a cute little trick, another piece that I would like to show you guys. So this snowflake that you see right here, how I went about to get it to look like it's floating inside of the cylinder vase is I just literally just added in there, and it was the perfect fit for inside of the cylinder vase, which permitted it to look like it's floating. It was super cute. And what I did is I took this bag of snow, fake snow that you see here, I just went ahead, I poured into the vase, and it looked like snowflake that is floating on top of snow. It is a super cute little piece that you can add to your Winter Wonderland theme. So this is a panoramic view of how the room looks where we're going to be hosting the party. It's literally just a really big green room, nothing special, but you know, we made it work and we made the best out of it. quick tip, guys, on balloons. I always blow my balloons up the night before the event, or at least most of my balloons, and then I transport them in really big plastic bags to the venue space, and all I do is just put the balloon garland together, and I just add in my balloon fillers while I'm there, or if I need to add any extra balloons to the garland. So I know that I wanted to have a really big balloon garland because I know she loves balloons, and I wanted to make sure that the balloon garland was big enough to fit this pole you see right here. I wouldn't say I'm the best when it comes to doing balloon garlands, but however, every little time I practice and every time I do it, I try to get better and better at putting balloon garland backdrops together. So it's a work in progress for me.
Hi, Shirley.
Hi.
Hi, I see you with the camera.
You say hi to the camera?
Shirley. Ari, cheese. Stand back. Cheese.
Also, guys, this was actually my niece's Winter Wonderland themed birthday party. She was turning 1 year old, and I really wanted to make this day special for her, as well as her parents. She's super sweet and super adorable, so I wanted to make sure that she could look back on this and see how we went all out for her on her big day. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting up my tables by just adding all my pieces on the table, my fake snow, all my centerpieces, and all of the little DIY projects that I had did the night before. Here is just me setting up the sweet table. I take a lot of joy in setting up a sweet table just because I just love the beauty of a sweet table, and it's always the focal point of the event. So I really enjoy it and love to take my time making sure the sweet table comes.
There's a light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath.
This is my little niece riding in style into her birthday party, and I thought that entrance was the most cutest thing ever, and she just looks so adorable riding in her new little car. Quick shout out to my brother and my sister-in-law for making this day so special for my niece, and shout out to my sister-in-law for baking all these beautiful sweets that you see on the table. Okay guys, this is the finishing look of how everything turned out, and it just looks super cute and super adorable. I really wanted to bring that theme to life for my little niece, and I think I did that. So comment below and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And I really also hope you guys was able to walk out with a lot of cute little ideas for your theme that you decide to put together. And I really hope some of the pieces and some of the cute little ideas that I showed you guys are able to implement that in your decor as well. So stay tuned for my next video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Bye guys.
I have the touch of love, my mind like a bottle of wine.